Grandma always said this shop could hug sad hearts.
Then maybe it can hug yours first.
I think the rain punched me.
Don't worry, this shop fixes broken things.
I don't drink chai, but I love the smell.
Grandma said good smells keep memories alive.
I still wait for her footsteps. Maybe love sounds quieter after goodbye. That sign was older than me. If the shop falls apart, I lose her again.
I'm tiny, but I can still help. You both already help more than you know.
She wrote this before she got sick.
Read it. She's still talking to you.
She wanted me to keep serving chai with a smile.
Then her story isn't over yet.
That's what Grandma wanted people to feel.
What if everyone I love leaves?
Leaving doesn't erase caring.
Friends always find the way back. Told you the sky wasn't big enough to lose me.
I thought I lost my family.
Maybe your family just grew fur and feathers.